Meaning of emphatically.
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 Emphatically. Emphatically is an adverb that describes something that is done or expressed in a forceful and definitive manner. Emphatic statements are often characterized by strong language, clear intonation, and confident phrasing. For example, "I absolutely refuse to do that," or "I am unequivocally opposed to that idea," are both examples of emphatic statements. When someone uses emphatic language, it conveys a sense of conviction and certainty that can give their words more weight and influence. Overall, emphatically signals a strong and resolute expression of opinion or belief.